Who is Emilio Aguinaldo? Emilio Aguinaldo was born in March 22 or 23, 1869 near Cavite, Luzon, Philippines. Died in February 6, 1964 at Quezon City. He is a Filipino leader and politician who fought first against Spain and later against the United States for the independence of the Philippines. Who is Emilio Aguinaldo in Katipunan? Emilio Aguinaldo joined the Katipunan in 1895 and became its leader in the Cavite province. Once initiated, Aguinaldo became known as Magdalo. Named after Mary Magdalena in 1896, the armed struggle began in Manila and quickly spread throughout the country. What was the revolutionary government of Emilio Aguinaldo? Revolutionary government of Emilio Aguinaldo. The revolutionary government of the Philippines, Spanish Gobierno Revolucionario de Filipinas, was a revolutionary government established in the Spanish East Indies on June 23, 1898, during the Spanish-American War. By Emilio Aguinaldo, its initial and only president. How many children did Emilio Aguinaldo have? Emilio Aguinaldo married Hilaria Aguinaldo. They had 5 children: Carmen Aguinaldo Melencio, Emilio Aguinaldo, Maria Aguinaldo Poblete, Cristina Aguinaldo Suntay, and Miguel Aguinaldo. Emilio Aguinaldo then married Maria Agoncillo. Emilio lived in Cavite. What is the leadership style of Emilio Aguinaldo? President Emilio Aguinaldo's leadership styles can be characterized as favoring a centralized, hierarchical, military approach, similar to bureaucratic arrangement seen in the Spanish colonial regime. Where did Emilio Aguinaldo declare independence? In 1898, General Emilio Aguinaldo, the revolution leader, declared independence at Kawit, Cavite, ending the more 300 years of Spanish colonial rule in the Philippines island. The following year, he declared President of First Republic under the Malolos Constitution. Why is Emilio Aguinaldo a hero? Emilio Aguinaldo was the first of the great Filipino revolutionaries and a forerunner of the band of Asian patriots who fought in 26th century to free their countries from colonial domination. He led the Filipino revolt against Spain in 1896, fighting with a collection of barefoot peasants.